Okay, I just kind of been strategizing here because we see Ethereum going up. It's up 7% at the recording of this video. We need Ethereum to make transactions if we're using the Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, or even the MetaMask when purchasing Shiba, Bone, and Leash. But I did something that was very interesting and I want to share with you right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited the captain is in right now. Now look at this. I have $123 in Ethereum. And what I did was I'm saying, you know what? I need to add more Ethereum. I want to take advantage of this momentum of Ethereum, at least from right now. So what I did was I swapped something for Ethereum. So I swapped a little bit of Shiba for Ethereum, just a little bit, to build my Ethereum up. So I swapped just a little Ethereum, a little Shiba for Ethereum. I just swapped just a little bit of it because I'm sitting here thinking, okay, I want to build up my Ethereum. And Ethereum is going to continue going up and up and up. I'm going to need Ethereum anyway. So it's okay to move maybe some Shiba, maybe some 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿 or whatever in your actually ShibaSwap to move that over. And I thought that was genius. I thought it was genius. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to move this over here to see what happens here. So basically what I did was I just moved a little bit of Shiba over to Ethereum and then take that ride up. And then Ethereum's going to continue growing and growing. And what I've discovered was once I've done that, I'm already up $5 already just by moving a little bit of Shiba over to Ethereum. Not financial advice necessarily, but I'm taking advantage of this momentum of Ethereum because Ethereum, I do think in the future will go higher. So I'm just taking advantage of today. It's something that I'm sitting here thinking we need Ethereum. We might as well move some stuff over to Ethereum and take advantage of this right now in this position here. Now, pullback will happen. I get that. Could happen tomorrow. Could happen Monday. However, I don't know if it's going to pull back as much as we think it's going to be. So, but then keep it in there. Let that Ethereum fee grow. So basically growing your Ethereum to use for fees if that's a strategy you want to use. You don't have to use this strategy. I'm not telling you to use this strategy. This is something I discovered by I need to use a little bit of something. So I could swap. I swapped a little bit of Shiba and a little bit of 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿 to get to $123. Well, actually it was $118. Now that has been moved up a little bit and I'm excited about that. So what I did, I just swapped one asset to another. Now what I did was when I had problems with the ShibaSwap, I used Uniswap as a backup. So what I did was I used Uniswap as a backup. So if I go to Uniswap real quick, if ShibaSwap having issues, Uniswap is a little bit, it's literally my backup if I'm issues with ShibaSwap. And Uniswap works very, very well, very, very effectively. So if I say, okay, if I want to take some of my Shiba or anything like that, or 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿, let's make an example. I'm just making an example here. I go to Ethereum, I connect my wallet, look for the Coinbase wallet or MetaMask, whatever your assets is under in terms of your wallet. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm connecting this together. And my strategy is maybe take a little bit of a 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿 or Shiba or something in there that I can swap to, move it to Ethereum, and then take this ride up. Take it right up because it's going up and Ethereum's probably it's gonna pass all-time high at some particular point. All-time high, I believe, is like 4,000, something like that. So now, okay, so 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿 is all in there. And so what I can do is I can say, I'm only gonna move, I ain't gonna move out that much, but if I say I move some of that over and I can swap that and get that amount of Ethereum. I could say, you know what, I'll take a little bit of my 𝐒𝐭𝐫𝐿 for now, but with the Ethereum, and then I could just use that for gas fees. That way, I'm not taking much out of my pocket. So you're basically swapping something for Ethereum and let that hold in there for actually, gas fees and transaction fees. And I've been trying this movement here, and it's been working a little bit. It's growing very, very slowly as long as this price goes up. This may not fit your actually system here. It may not fit, but it seems to be working for me. ShibaSwap, I'm having little problems with doing this at times. So I went to Uniswap, and I'll have Uniswap in the description box. You click on there. It works very, very effective, just like ShibaSwap in a way. But what I came back was it helps a little bit more effectively when you're swapping like different types of coins or tokens. It seemed to go through. So I can go ahead and allow this swap to happen if I wanted to. Check my phone and I can find out like, okay, how much the fees is going to be. And fees is going to be there anyway. So if I go here, if I'm trying to make that transaction, it's only going to be $9.61. That's not bad. If I'm taking this amount of 𝐭 and this amount of Ethereum I'm going to get back, you know, right here, that's not that bad at all. I can take advantage of that. And I can say, you know what? This is my budget for my Ethereum based off the fact of 𝐭, you're earning rewards all the time. Remember, they got that 2%, you know, reward distribution that they give back to you. So I'm using something, I'm getting rewards back, take a little bit of some of those rewards, put them into Ethereum, and let that be my transaction fees. So that's what I'm trying to come up with. I'm still testing it out using some assets for Ethereum fees and locking that in there, because that price is going to continue going up. Well, we'll have a pullback, but then it's going to go back up because it's Ethereum. I mean, come on, it's the #2 ranked cryptocurrency we have in this world other than Bitcoin. So something to think about. I'm using some methods to try to help out with the fees. I understand they're high, but a little strategy and methods, why not give it a try? Not financial advice. This is what I'm doing right now. And if I go back to if I cancel here, I'm looking forward to that 123.29 to continue growing as long as that price Ethereum's growing as well. Okay, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Strategy, something to think about outside the box. I'm excited, you know, in terms of what this number is going to look like, and I'll see you on the next video.